been waiting forever for me to draw it. Look at me stuttering because I'm literally staring at his nakedness. Hey guys, I'm back and today I am doing another Draw My Friends video. I am once again very behind on my scheduled videos, but that's because I've been preparing for a market that I'll be doing, a Christmas market in December. And I was actually working on some merch that I will be selling there. One of them being my calendar. Look how cute. I know it should have been like the whole thing, but I wanted to have like a preview of what is gonna be in my calendar. This is my calendar. It's very big. I want to compare sizes with my iPad. It's large, which I actually prefer because, you know, then that makes my art more bigger and so it can be appreciated more. Yeah, I've been working on these calendars for quite a bit. I've always wanted one, so I'm like pretty happy that I actually have one. I'm pretty proud of it, so I'll just give you like a little sneak peek. I know this is a Draw My Friends video, but I thought I would just update you guys as to what the heck I've been doing since I've been gone, because I'm behind on my kind of like video schedule, but I don't think anybody really notices because nobody actually watches. It's just me. Right, Miyu? She's being demonic. Okay. Look at this. It's so cute. Wow. So cute. Can you believe it? It's really surreal to like see some of my artwork like be of use to people. Anyway, enough of that. So that's what I've been doing. That's why I have not been on time with my videos every other Thursday. Not only that, but I also have like new toe merch, which I will show you. Bye-bye. Look at my new toes. They're so cute. Plantita. Plantita, plantita. And then there's like pattern in the back. My actual name this time. Last time I didn't have my logo or name, so no one would ever know that it was mine. This time it does. Yeah, so those are all going to be in my market in December. Trying to add obviously a lot of new things, but it has hindered my schedule a little bit with regards to YouTube, but that's okay, because here I'm making a video now and we're gonna do just 3 of my friends that I'll be drawing, and I'm excited, but also kind of like it's the naughty photo that my friend sent me. So I'm doing it now. It's actually the middle of the day, so I feel less weird staring at my friend's jacked nude body and trying to draw it, and also because my husband's away and I don't want him to catch me staring at another man's body and drawing him like a French girl. So we'll start with my friend here in the green dress, and then we'll do my friend's wedding photo, and then after we will do the nude. I will not record here and my drawing at the same time because I tried it last time and it did not work at all. But otherwise, I'll just give you time lapse, that way it'll be faster. So, oh, this is a cute photo. She actually sent me a bunch of photos to draw. I had to re-message her because she asked me to draw her but then didn't send me photos of herself. So then when I asked her to send something, she sent me a bunch. But I'm gonna go with this one because it's pretty cute. She looks cute. This looks nice. Where the heck is she? yeah, this video is basically going to be me drawing my friends, but I just wanted to give you guys a little update as to where I've been and why I haven't been posting. Not that it really matters because nobody sees these videos anyway, which is great because then there's less stress on me. Oh, and another thing I forgot to say that I've been up to, I was part of Intergenerations Showcase, which basically had performances and art and spoken word poetry in Toronto. That was super fun. It was my first time doing that, but they've done a few shows already. In that show, I had showcased some of my old work regarding Kapampangan and folklore, and I was really happy about that because I feel like those pieces didn't get as much love online because it's really hard to reach the right audience with those. But I did end up displaying, and it was really awesome. There's a lot of talented people there, and I actually made, you know, new friends and new connections, which I'm happy about. That's kind of like the bonus of doing this art journey in the first place, is like meeting people who are like-minded and kind of inspire me to keep going. So yeah, it was really great. It was great just talking about like the Kapampangan folklore because, again, like not a lot of people know about it, and it's really nice to see people obviously eye your work, and then it just gives you kind of like that validation as to like why you're doing it in the first place. So to everyone who kind of dropped by in that show and talked to me, and anybody I met and connected with, thank you so much thank you for just, I don't know, liking the art. Why am I all shy? Anyway, that's all. So that was it, yeah. So I was doing calendars, I was working on new merch, I did a showcase, and yeah, just been posting a lot of reels every now and then, but I've also just kind of generally been picking up a lot more at work because your girl needs money, and currently my art is not selling, so yeah, there's that. Oh, and these are, I got some bad burns from cooking, housewife stuff. A lot of people ask me what kind of program I use, and I thought it was common knowledge, but it is Procreate that I use. Why did I choose this? It's because it's not subscription based, so it's just a lot cheaper for me, and because it's so portable, I can basically draw anywhere, even on my breaks during work. So I do prefer Procreate. It's cheaper, it's very user friendly, at least that's what I find, and it's light, portable, and it works with my MacBook Pro, which I have, so it's easy to transfer files basically. Okay, finish this one. Let's show you right now. I have no idea which way to. Okay, this one. Okay, my next illustration is going to be my friend who is having a wedding anniversary. She asked me to draw her and her husband now, and I think she's gifting it to him, so enjoy this drawing and follow along. Here's that drawing. Very cute. I really like this one, and I did spend more than an hour on this one. According to my thing, I spent about 3 hours on it. I put a little more love into this one because my friend did pay me, and thank you so much for supporting my art journey. And yeah, The other ones I spend not so long on them because I'm usually using them to study and using them as my friends' study subjects with consent, obviously. But sometimes people come up to me and ask to draw something of theirs, and when it's a paid commission, I try to definitely spend more time on it and give it a little bit more love. But otherwise, the unpaid ones, I'm sorry, you're getting a max an hour of my time. On to the next drawing. What time is it? 2. Time for the nude one. The fact that this picture is in a bathroom stall just makes me laugh. And then the writing on the mirror, go on flex. I mean, he did not follow instructions, but I'm gonna draw him next. And yeah, here we go. He's been waiting forever for me to draw it. Look at me stuttering because I'm literally staring at his nakedness. Anyway, yeah, he's been waiting for like ever for me to draw him. Then I finally am gonna do it. I now have the courage to draw him in the nude. I wish I could say, oh ladies, he's single, but I can't. Instead I can say, boys, he's single. Sorry ladies, you're lost, but he's not interested in you. So let's draw him. I'll give myself an hour. This man is jacked, okay? I hope I can do this. Wish me luck. That one in like 40 minutes, which I'm proud of. I'm just kind of running out of time, so this is all you get, but there we go. Finally finished drawing all of these friends of mine. Can you tell I'm freaking tired? So that's the end of the video, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope my friends like their drawings. And I probably will not be doing this anymore. This will probably be the last one for the end of the year, as I'm going to be trying to focus on creating a portfolio for myself. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time, whenever that is. For the people who keep coming back and watching, thank you so much. Super appreciate it. I am going to keep posting videos. Try my best to be consistent, but I am frequently more on Instagram, so if you want to hang out or if you want to connect and see more of my stuff, you can just follow me on Instagram instead. So that's it for today. See you guys next time. Bye bye bye. Oh, I forgot to show you my Miyu shirt. Look at this. It's cute, right?